Hello students, in this video we are going to learn some important MCQs on phenols. So the first MCQ, there are some instructions. Read the question carefully, then read all the options, select the correct option and check your answer. So I read the first question. Monochlorination of toluene in sunlight followed by hydrolysis with aqueous NaOH yields. Read the options. Monochlorination of toluene is carried out and the hydrolysis of product is also carried out. Check the answer. Benzyl alcohol, that is fourth option, is the correct option. Toluene reacts with chlorine in presence of sunlight to give benzyl chloride. Benzene chloride on alkaline hydrolysis give benzyl alcohol. Cl minus is replaced by OH minus. Next question, question number 2. IUPAC name of metacresol is. So cresol is a phenol. At meta position methyl group is present. So the name of the compound is 3-methylphenol. 3-methylphenol. First option is the correct option. Here the structure of metacresol is given. This is number 1, number 2, number 3. At 3 position methyl group is present. Question number 3. Which of the following compounds will react with sodium hydroxide solution in water? So look here, the first option is C6H5OH, that is phenol. The second option, benzyl alcohol. Third option, tertiary butyl alcohol. Fourth option, ethyl alcohol. Select the correct answer. Remember, option number 2, 3 and 4 are alcohols. They will not react with sodium hydroxide. Phenol, that is option 1, reacts with NaOH to give sodium phenoxide and water. Come to the fourth question. Orthonitrophenol is less soluble in water than para and metanitrophenols because. So read all the options carefully and select the correct answer. Check your answer. Number 1. Orthonitrophenol shows intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So option 1 is the correct option. You know that metanitrophenol and paranitrophenol forms intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water molecule. Therefore, they are more soluble. Orthonitrophenol is less soluble in water because it forms intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Fifth question. Arrange the following compounds in the order of decreasing acidity. Such types of questions are very important and asked frequently. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 compounds are given. In all these compounds, OH group is directly attached to aromatic ring. At this part is same. At para position, different substituents are present. In compound 1, at para position, chlorine is present. In compound 2, at para position, methyl is present. In compound 3, nitro group is present at para position. In compound 4, methoxy group is present at para position. These are phenols and they are acidic. Remember, electron withdrawing group increases the acidity, and electron donating group decreases the acidity. NO2 group has strong electron withdrawing group as compared to chlorine. Methyl group and methoxy group are electron donating groups. So check your answer. Option number 3 is the correct answer. This para-nitrophenol is more acidic than para-chlorophenol, which is more acidic than para-methylphenol, which is more acidic than para-methoxyphenol. So read the hint. Electron withdrawing group increases acidic strength by stabilizing the phenoxide ion formed. Electron releasing group decreases acidic strength by destabilizing the phenoxide ion formed. Question number 6. Simple question. Cumene on reaction with oxygen followed by hydrolysis gives. This is the method of preparation of phenol from cumene. Cumene is also known as isopropyl benzene or 2-phenylpropane, which on air oxidation and hydrolysis gives phenol and acetone. So the option number 4 is the correct option. Fourth option is the correct option. Question number 7. Picric acid is a yellow colored compound. Its chemical name is. Again, very simple, straightforward question. Phenol on nitration gives 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, which is known as picric acid. So the option is second option. Check your answer. Option number 2, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Question number 8. Consider the following reaction. Phenol on treatment with zinc dust gives X. X on treatment with methyl chloride and anhydrous aluminum chloride gives Y. Y on treatment with alkaline potassium permanganate gives Z. The product Z is. Select the answer. Check your answer. Benzoic acid is the answer. So phenol on treatment with zinc dust gives benzene. Benzene undergoes Friedel-Crafts reaction and gives methyl benzene or toluene. Methyl benzene or toluene on oxidation with permanganate gives benzoic acid. Question number 9. Assertion reason type of question. Read the assertion. Phenol is more acidic than metamethoxyphenol. Reason: OCS3 shows plus I effect. Read all the options carefully. Remember, phenol is more acidic than metamethoxyphenol. Methoxy group is electron attracting group. Therefore, methoxy group is electron donating group. Therefore, it decreases the acidity. Therefore, phenol is more acidic than metamethoxyphenol. Assertion is correct. OCS3 shows plus I effect. Remember, OCS3 group shows negative inductive effect. So here resonance effect and inductive effect is important. The assertion is true but reason is false. So third option is the correct option. So read this question carefully. Very important question. Read resonance or mesomeric effect, positive effect, and then solve this question. Question number 10. The reaction sodium phenoxide C6H5ONa plus CO2 plus H2O gives phenol plus NaHCO3. Suggests that. Read all the options carefully. Select the correct option. Second option, carbonic acid is a stronger acid than phenol. The hint is given since a stronger acid displaces